All right, what's up, guys? It's DIY Arch. I got another one for you. You got an amp in your car? You got a little bit of bump in the car. Everything's set up so you got some stereo action. And then one day it just doesn't want to start. It's kind of like that with them car stereos. So what you need is one of these. And what it'll do is help to clean these posts off, because for some reason they want to get this erosion. And once this erosion starts building up in between this thing and your battery, you won't get a good signal to your starter or your stereo and all that other stuff, and it's hard to start. But if you got one of these bad boys, you can clean these out. Go both sides, make sure you're out in a fresh area, you don't want all that dust all over you. And then you got one of these, and it's going to clean this post. Yep, and then it gets it all clean. Both sides get clean, reconnect batteries, do your both positive and your negative, and then you should be set, and then it should start. I've had this happen to me 3 or 4 times, and every time it's worked. So go ahead and check it out. Quick little tip. So if you got a little amplifier in the car, or you got a real big booming system, make sure you're checking all your batteries and your connectors and stuff, because they do start getting erosion up on them. So all right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification, make sure you're following us and sharing this stuff to anybody you know. That way, you might be able to get in a tight situation, and then just got to clean your terminals up. Try to find one of these bad boys, keep them with you, or just keep your stuff clean. Baking soda also, just to pour on top of it. We'll do that another one, but that's how you do it. All right, we'll catch you later. We out.